Let's paint some trees. There's an easy way to do this. We're just going to put some colour onto our paper. A couple of contrasting colours. Something warmer in the foreground. Give it a spray so our paper is nice and wet. This is a wet technique, so you have to work fast. We're going to go around the edge of our colour. Just soften the edges. With a sharp tool, a toothpick or a chopstick, we're going to mark in some trees. This gives us nice, fine, dark lines without having all the difficulty of trying to get a small line with our paintbrush. So there we go, we've marked in some small trees. If you want to mark in your tree trunks, you need a slightly wider surface. So scrape down with a palette knife. This is going to give you white lines instead of dark lines. Then we can go back and add our smaller branches with our sharp tool once again. Just vary where our branches are coming from. Make it look as natural as you can. And we can even go back and add a few more lines after. It's such an easy technique to use and saves so much difficulty in trying to paint tiny lines. I hope you enjoy, and please subscribe to the channel.